Hey, my name is Doug Blanchard. I've been here since 1987. I'm the CEO and the president of Kwik Signs.
Mitch Blandchard here, plant manager at Kwik Signs. We were a family-owned company since 1984, and we've been in the signage industry ever since. So in the previous years, we've been pretty much just using all of our automated CNCs, which are just your XY axis. And we were cutting all of our ACMs or metals and plastics with those. And now with moving over to the fiber laser, all of our metals are now getting cut on the laser.
For us to be competitive, we felt the need that we would have to purchase a fiber laser for speed. And also, getting people today is very difficult. So this machine right now takes care of about 3 employees per year. Well, when I first started thinking about doing the laser, bringing in the fiber laser, it was because we're spending $50,000 to $60,000 a year on getting stuff outsourced cut. But once we put the machine in, we realized, okay, this is actually a lot faster, a lot quicker, a lot more efficient and cleaner. The cuts are much cleaner, no cleanup.
It's changed a lot because prior, we would have to be shearing all of our aluminums and at different angles to be bending up our boxes. Now it's just a one-stop shop.
It's a needed product now for anybody in the manufacturing. If you're touching steel, if you're buying flat sheets, I would recommend anybody that would be my first purchase before I would even look at a CNC machine. So buying from CanCam was the smartest thing we did.
We're about 4 times faster. And now with timing, when it comes to now fabricating a sign box, we're saving around 2 to 3 hours of manual labor time. A lot of our other machineries that we have on the floor here are from the States or from overseas. So when it comes to maintenance or getting someone on the phone and talking, does have a little bit of hiking behind it. And now with having a Canadian source company, it's just a phone call away, or sometimes it's just a drive down the road away, depending on where you're located. The whole process of the installation that came through with CanCam and the coordination with us at Kwik Signs here was pretty smooth. They had their mill rights scheduled in. They came in on time. We were prepared for them, had the area all cleared in a way, and it was kind of a touchless project on our part.
I've been looking at different fiber lasers and Trump lasers for the last few years before I bought this. And then I ended up talking to a few people, and they kept throwing your name at. And once I heard your name the 3rd time, I decided to call you, and here we are. Pretty much a year later now. Very thrilled with the machine and very thrilled with CanCam, the company.